Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Oh my God!
Aalis na ako, ma.
Kain ka muna na.
May kape na ako.
Sige.
Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. Our topic is all about biology.
Ben, Jacob is on the way. Oh, really? He's playing basketball right now. Come on, let's go and watch him. Come on. Oh, today I'm to the gym. OMG! Is he literally staring at you? No! There's no way Jacob can know that you exist.
Be, ang OA niyo.
Did you just say hi on us? Oh my God! Celine! Hindi mo ba alam na may laro sila Jacob ngayon? What? Look, Val, I don't have any intentions of that, Jacob. So please, stop mo niyang kaartihan mo. Celine, this is an important game. It is a fighting court, siya. Kaya nga halos walang tao dito sa school kasi busy sila sa court eh. Kaya please, Celine! Tama na, Celine!
Sa'yo na din si kita kayo nag-aaral kami dito.
So, mas later na yan. May pupuntahan kami importante.
But, Val,
Here we go again.
Siri, may test pa tayo mamaya sa chemistry.
You know what, Yuri? Ngayon lang naman to. May time pa kayo mamaya mag-study. So just let go of her, okay? Ang KJ mo. Tara na nga. Yeah!
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, negatives. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one.
Oh God, it's so tagal na. I know, who is this na talaga? Oh my God, Be, ang tagal niyo. I'm so bored hearing na gayon.
Bakit, Be? Mabilis ba yung takbo sa EDSA?
Shut up, Be. Hindi ko kausap ko, okay? Look! What time is it? Ang tagal niyo! Sorry mga Be, traffic lang.
Teka.
So, ayun na nga. I have chika.
Oh my God, that's my favorite. So, what is it?
I saw Jacob kanina.
So, what would I do? Maging kayo.
Shut up!
Aba, huwag mo akong ginaganyan ha? Shit ka! Ha? Ano pa kasi? Bakit ba dito? Kasi nante, paano ka ba to? Alam mo ba to? Paano pa kasi?
It's fermentation. Easy lang naman yan.
Tawag na talaga ako nakalikat. Samahan mo ba? Fury! Fury! Sama ako sa inyo!
Tara na lang yun. Ano na tara? Pwede bang tumulong?
Ito kasi ang hirap.
NPR. Ano man?
So ito,
Ang ota. Kakata.
Kanina yan galing din.
malamang kay Jacob. Oh my God. May ano yan? Meet me at the same spot? Oh my God! Jacob, ha? Meet me same spot? Wait, ano ka ba Hey,
Buti ka ba? Celine,
yes, Jacob.
I have something to tell you.
What is it, Jacob?
I hope you don't mind, but there's something I really need to say. Since the day na nakita kita, wala na. Nahulog na agad ang loob ko sa'yo. Celine, I think I like you.
But I thought you and Garner are
No! Sadyang malapit lang kami kasi alam mo namang magkababata kami. Kaya no choice ako.
So, ako? Ako yung gusto mo.
I know it's a big word, but my feelings for you is gusto kita.
Pero, naguguluhan pa ako sa mga nangyayari. Since today I saw you, I can feel na na-attract ako sa charming. I can feel the spark between us. Sa tuwing nahuli kitang nakatingin sa akin, I can feel the nervousness that I can't even breath. So, yes, our feelings are mutual. Sabi kita.
I understand, Celine. Kahit gaano pa yan katagal, hihintayin kita.
If that's what you want, papayag ako. If it doesn't work, at least we try, diba?
I promise, Celine, hihintayin kita. Kahit gaano man yan katagal. Tara.
I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. So this is love.
Sige, alis na ako sa susunod ulit.
Ay, wait. Baka gusto mong magkape.
Pwede.
Tara, pasok. Ma! Ay, Ma, si Jacob pa pala yung pinakilala ko sa yung maniligaw ko.
Naku, ang gwapo pala, Tia Manin.
Ma!
Magandang gabi po, tita.
Upo ka muna, magtitimpla pa ako ng kape.
Sige.
Saan ka nakatira? May mga magulang ka? May mga kapatid ka?
Ma! Para ka namang TV news reporter.
O siya si Lynn, ikaw na bahala sa bisita mo, matutulog na ako.
Ma! Jacob, it's been 5 months since you courted me, diba? And I think I'm ready.
Wait, nananaginip ba ako? Kurutin mo nga ako. Wait, totoo nga! So tayo na.
Yes, Jacob. Yes.
Hey, Jacob! What's wrong with you?
What are you talking about, ma'am?
Who's this girl?
She's just a friend, ma'am.
A friend? A friend lang ba talaga to?
Dahil, ma'am, buong buhay mo kumpanya lang iniisip mo.
How dare you talk to me like that? After sa lahat ng ginawa ko para sa'yo, ganito lang ang igaganti mo? Nagpakahirap ako doon, Jacob. Tiniis ko ang lahat na malayo sa piling mo para mabigyan ka ng magandang kinabukasan. Tapos ganito lang ang igaganti mo sa akin? Alam mo namang you and Carmel are getting married soon.
I don't like Carmel, ma'am. Bakit mo ko pinagtutulungan sa babae yun?
Dahil sila lang ang makakaligtas sa kumpanya natin, Jacob. Mag-isip ka naman.
Hanggang ngayon, ma'am, trabaho pa rin nasa isip mo. Bro, punta kayo dito sa bahay.
Bro, kaya na sige, di ba? Ano gagawin mo kay Carmel?
Wala akong balak dyan.
Wala ka bang balak na sasabihin kay Celine?
Naghahanap pa ako ng chimpo.
Paano yan?
Wala ka naman siguro to.
Hi. Hi, Miss Montefalco. Nice to meet you. Hello. So, what's the plan? All are settled.
I don't want to marry Carmel, ma'am. Carmen, are you drunk?
No! Bakit di na lang ako? Ba't silin pa? Bakit, Jacob? Nandito naman ako palagi sa tabi mo, ha? Bakit sisilin yung palagi nakikita mo? Bakit, Jacob? Bakit?
Wait. Let me breathe, okay? Wait. Alam mo na ba? Anong alam mo? This is a very bad news. Sana huwag kang magugulat, ha? Ano dapat kong malaman, Clara? Jacob is engaged.
What?
Yeah, that's true.
Hindi yan maaari, Clara. Sinagot ko na nga siya nung unang araw at ang saya-saya pa niya.
I'm sorry for ruining your happiness.
No, hindi. Chismis lang yan, Kiara. Ikaw naman, nagpapaniwala ka?
I have proof.
Ay, saan? Gusto ko makita.
Oh my
The
God.
freak!
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God, be! Baka fake videos lang yan, be!
No, hindi totoo to. Hindi.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Celine, but that's true. Last information.
Hindi yun maaari. Baka, ano lang to? Baka sa social media lang to. Inedit niya lang to eh. Hindi to maaari.
Ayun, si Jacob, oh!
Ano to? Explain mo nga sa akin to.
Lasing ako noon.
Lintik na palusot yon. Kahit lasing ka, alam mo ang ginagawa mo.
It's just one mistake. Isa lang.
Kaya isa, dalawa, tatlo, pareho lang yun. Sumasaw ka pa rin sa iba.
I'm so sorry, Celine. Hindi na mauulit.
Talagang hindi na.
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo sinabi?
Celine, ganito?
Para ano pa, Jacob? Para saktan mo ko ulit?
It's not what you think, Celine.
Sa tingin mo, maniniwala pa ako sa mga palusot mo yan? Kung gusto mo si Carmel, edi sana hindi mo na pinaramdam yung kilig na dapat kay Carmel. Sana hindi mo na lang ako niligawan.
Believe me, Celine. Hindi totoo yun. I'm begging you. Celine!
Jacob? Jacob? Jacob, anong nangyari sa'yo, Jacob? Jacob, gumising ka please, Jacob! Tulong! Tulungan niyo kami! Jacob! Jacob, gumising ka please, Jacob! God, Lord, oh my God, this is all my fault, Lord! Kahit ngayon lang po! Sorry po, tita. It's all my fault.
No, Iha, don't blame yourself. It's all my fault. I found out na may colon cancer pala siya at hindi ko alam dahil nag-focus lang ako sa works ko. Don't blame yourself. It's all my fault.
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Jacob? Jacob? Ano nangyari?
Doc, ano nangyari? Kumusta si Jacob?
Sorry po, ma'am, pero ginawa po namin lahat, pero hindi na sa mga kaya.
No, please, no! Hindi dapat ang is dead. Please tell me! No! Jacob! Bakit mo ko iniwan?
Ginawa na po namin lahat po, pero hindi na po siya.
Jacob, I'm so sorry, Jacob. It's all my fault.
I don't want to forget what it feels like to be loved by you. I am scared that the day will come when I cannot recognize your voice anymore. Your face, your handwriting, you. I am scared, Jacob, but I will try. I will try and continue, even without you. Thank you, Jacob, for making me experience and feel the kind of love I am longing for. Thank you for loving me with all your heart. Jacob, you will always be a part of my tomorrow, my today, and my yesterday. Your love for me and my love for you will stay on in a series of tomorrows, but the memories we had will now just remain as our eternal love. I'll see you in yesterday, love. I guess it's real. Jacob is dead.
It's been 5 years, Jacob, since you left. But the memories still remain in our hearts and my mind.
Let's go.
On the wings of love, and
wise man say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin
This ring is a sign of my love and loyalty.
if I can't help falling?
You are not the man that I asked for, but God gave me you unexpectedly. This ring is a sign of my love and loyalty.
Surely to the sea